Alright, we're in the hotel, and I was just telling Brandy that I think this wallpaper looks like a 70s lampshade. I think it's awful. There's me. It's early. We're getting ready to head out for our last concert brouhaha in Milwaukee. Bran is listening to the awesomeness of Better Than Ezra and getting her uncle's email address. We've had some issues with Pokey Brothers, but we're going to get over that. It's going to be fine. This is Chicago here. It's pretty. I took some pictures. It's a very big city. There's some homeless people, which is not a big deal for most people. I was just like, oh, homeless people. We don't see those very much. But it's been amazing. We're up here on the 9th floor, right down the street from the House of Blues. I don't know if you can see it from this window. I don't think you can. But last night's show was amazing. That's the Starbucks right there on the corner that we tried to find. I needed coffee in a desperate way yesterday, as you saw. But we're excited. We're getting ready, right? Is that right, Bran? We're going to head out. It's going to be awesome. All right. Checking back with you in Milwaukee.